guys, Xiangling again. Today we're making chimichazuke. It's a simple but filling meal that happens to be Scaramouche's favorite dish. First, we'll start off with the tea. I'm using sencha because it has a roasted savory flavor that will pair well with the rice ball. Now onto the rice. My favorite trick is to use a plastic bag and a little bit of oil. This helps prevent the rice from sticking to your hands and makes it easier to shape the rice ball. We're gonna pop in some rice for the base layer and gently press it into the circular mold. Next, we'll be using some canned tuna for filling, but you can use whatever you'd like. Shush, Guoba! Next, we'll top it up with some more rice. Make sure you press down along the edges to seal the filling in. Then we're going to pick up the rice ball via the plastic bag and compress it to make sure that everything is nice and firmly packed. I'm using a chopstick to help make the indents of the flower shape. If I didn't have my plastic bag, my rice ball would probably fall apart. Guoba, you're the one that needs therapy, not me. Now that your rice ball is perfectly shaped, place it in the bowl and then we're going to start pouring the tea. If you feel like your tea isn't umami enough, you can always add in a little bit of dashi. Garnish it with some dried seaweed. If you don't have it shredded, you can always cut it into tiny little strips. Then sprinkle on some sesame seeds and add in your ume. Ume means pickled plum. You can have them dried or wet. And there you go. Hopefully this will invite Scaramouche to your home.